This is the Ajazz AKS68 with the cream, green, and orange switches. If you're looking for something that is ergonomic, is able to be switched between Mac as well as Windows, and run Bluetooth, USB, or 2.4 gigahertz, this might be the option for you. The fun thing about this board is it comes completely bare. You have to put in each of the switches as well as the keycaps yourself, which just shows how moddable and customizable this keyboard is. The RGB lights underneath it can be changed to whatever color that you would like. There is a media dial switch on it so you can turn your music up and down easily. Let's do the most important part of the test, which is the typing test. And they have great deals going on this right now here on the TikTok shop, so click that orange shopping cart below and see what price you can get it for.